Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving right triangles. Let's look at the first question. The first question says solve the triangle round to two decimal places. Here we're given a right angled triangle DFG, right angled at F, and also some measurements are given. GD equals to 6, that is this hypotenuse, and measure of angle D is equals to 79 degrees. So in a triangle we know the two angles. First let's find out the third angle, that is angle G. As per the angle sum property, angle D plus angle F plus angle G equals to 180 degrees. D is given to us as 79 plus F is 90 degrees plus angle G equals to 180 degrees. So 90 plus 79 equals to 169 plus angle G equals to 180. From here we find out that angle G equals to 11 degrees. So first of the things we found that angle G is 11 degrees. Now we have to find out the value of DF and GF. So we can use our trigonometric ratios. Sine of 11 degrees, that is angle G, is opposite, that is DF over GD, the hypotenuse. So we'll plug in the values. Sine 11 degrees times GD equals to DF. So GD is 6, while 11 sine of 11 we can find out in the calculator is 0.191. When we multiply this with 6, the answer is 1.14. So DF equals to 1.14 is the answer. So now we found out one side of the triangle. Now we have to find out GF. For GF we can use cos of or cosine of G equals base, that is GF, divided by DF. Cosine of G is 11. To find out GF equals to cosine of G times, sorry, not DF, this is the hypotenuse, DG or GD, which is equal to 6. Cosine of G into 6. Cosine of 11 degrees times 6. This can be found with the help of the calculator, and this will give us GF as 5.89. These are the three values that we have found: angle G as 11 degrees, DF as 1.14, and GF as 5.89. All these values match with option D. Moving on to the next question. Solve the triangle round to two decimal places. GD, that is the hypotenuse, is 10. Measure of angle D is 23. Angle F is 90 degrees. So first we'll find out angle G. So angle G plus angle D plus angle F equals to 180 degrees. We'll plug in the values. D is 23, F is 90, angle G we have to find out equals to 180. So from here we get angle G equals to 67 degrees. Find out the value of DF and GF. We'll use the sine of angle G equals opposite over the hypotenuse. So DF is nothing but DG times sine of G. We can plug in the values. DG is 10, while sine of 67 degrees we find with the help of the calculator, and here we get the answer of DF as 9.21. Now to find out the value of, that is the base FG or GF, we use cosine of G equals to GF divided by the hypotenuse, that is GD. GF is equals to GD times cosine of G. GD is 10 cosine of 67 degrees. So GF equals to, with the help of the calculator we find out cos of 67 and multiply that with 10. We get the answer as 3.91. So the left of the angles, that is angle G, was left, so we got 67. DF is 9.21 and GF has 3.91. These values match with the given values in option D, which is a correct one. Moving on to the next question. Solve the triangle. Here the triangle is slightly flipped, so we have angle S is the right angle given, that is 90 degrees. TR, that is hypotenuse, equals to 6, and measure of R is 23. So first we'll find out angle T. So angle T plus angle S plus angle R equals to 180 degrees by the angle sim property. Angle T we have to find out, plus S is 90, R is 23, equals to 180. From here we find out that angle T is equals to 67 degrees. This is the missing angle. To find out the side lengths, first we use sine of 67 degrees, which is here, that is the opposite, SR divided by the hypotenuse TR. So SR equals to TR times sine of 67. TR is 6 times sine of 67. We use a calculator to find out sine of 67 and multiply it with 6. We get the answer SR as 5.52. This is the value of SR. To find out the value of ST, we use cosine of 67 is base, that is ST, divided by the hypotenuse TR. ST equals to TR times cos of 67 degrees. TR is 6 times cos of 67. We find out cos of 67 using a calculator, multiply it with 6, and the final answer of ST is 2.34. So the missing angle T is 67, SR is 5.52, and ST is 2.34. These values are matching with the option C. I hope solving right triangles is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.